Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you an easy, literally 5-minute hairstyle that anybody can do at home. I already started here. You're going to section off pieces at the top. It's a half up, half down hairstyle. So here I'm tying just the front pieces. These are my bang pieces. They're shorter than the rest of my hair. Next I'm going to go in and make another section and tie it on its own by itself. Having trouble with the hair ties. So now I'm tying the second piece. These hair ties are a lot bigger than my hair consists of, so it took a little bit to get them to wrap up. So now I'm taking the front piece and splitting it in two and putting the second piece through the front, just tossing it over. And I'm going to hold those two pieces in the back. And I'm going to make another section with the front pieces stuck into the ponytail as well. So now I'm going to repeat that same thing, but right there I'm fluffing up the front piece to kind of give it that braid look. So now I'm going to take, again, the top piece. I'm going to take the back piece, put it through the middle of the top piece. And I'm going to grab more hair to make another ponytail. And for the last part, I'm going to fluff up that part again, make it look like a braid piece, and I'm going to do one more pony with the last two ponies together. So I'm just tying the two together. It's just to finish off the pony so there's not two hair ties separately in the back. So this is going to cover up the two elastics that are back there. So that's one side. Now if you want, pull as much as you want, make it as fluffy as you want, make it look like a braid. Now onto the other side. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Start with one little piece in the front. And normally I have my hair done like whatever I want for the hair that's down. So in this case, I did just my natural look. This was washed and blow dried. Now I'm going to go on to the second piece. And now you're going to split the first piece, toss the second piece between the two, and grab more hair. Now you want it to be even on both sides, so you want to take the same amount of hair for each side so your ponytails match. You're going to do it one more time, split the piece, toss the back piece through, As you can see, I struggled a little bit. I'm going to grab the final piece of hair in the back. As you can see, I didn't fluff up the pieces that look like a braid, but you can do that in the end too. It won't matter. Be careful not to get your hair tangled. These rubber elastics make it really hard. Sometimes you grab hair that you don't want to grab, and then these hair ties stay stuck. So now I'm fluffing up the pieces that I want in the front. Still very doable. The ponytails still look fine. Now I'm going to tie these two together. I love my curtain bangs, but I hate when I do hairstyles like this because they are short and they show in the ponytails. Now you tighten it, fluff it, do whatever you got to do to make it look the way you want it to. I just want something quick and easy, just to go run errands. Now I teased it a little bit to kind of give it that body that I wanted. I don't like when the ponytails are totally flat to the head. So again, teasing on this side, trying to cover up those bang pieces that are poking in the back. And there you have it. Simple, easy. You can use a little hairspray. Finish it up. And this is up close. Not really up close, but to give you an idea. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.